Hello and welcome to GT Racer. It has been a while now since I made a video, but life is like this. Sometimes you have a lot of things to do, and sometimes you don't have the biggest of motivations. You have to have some idea when you make a video, and I have very little ideas. I have had some ideas, but for them I have had to order some things, and today my first package arrived, and that is from Squadra Sportiva. I ordered it through alfisti.net, and I will open this and I will show you what my next video after this will be. Just give me a second. I've had some problem with my Alfa. The bushings in the suspension in the front, the upper wishbones are completely gone. The car is clunking so badly now. During the winter I heard a little bit, but because it's very cold, so the bushing gets so hard, so of course they're probably holding the wishbones better. But now, since we had the second half of the winter, we really had spring weather, so of course everything has gone much warmer, and the clunking, oh my god, it came back with a vengeance. I'm afraid to drive the car most. So I was checking to see what it cost to leave to a car mechanic and fix the bushings. The problem where I live is no one knows shit about Alfa Romeo. I'm not joking, I probably had to travel quite a long distance before I can find a car mechanic who actually knows anything about Alfa Romeo. But I had one of the regular mechanics here, and they looked at the car, and they also said yes, the upper bushings for the wishbones. The upper wishbones bushings that is connected to the car, they are gone. And they said, yes, we don't know how much the cost is, so we need to see the price for us to change the bushings. And after a few days they called me back and they said, yeah, it will cost 3,000 Swedish crowns to change one bushing. That is, if you live in US, that is like somewhere around $300 to change a bushing. In UK, probably somewhere around 300 pounds. Oh, everything's like, you take the Swedish crowns and you take away 1 zero for euro, dollar and pounds. But never mind, I felt like that's a lot of money because I had problem on both sides. So they said, yes, 6,000 Swedish crowns. I'm like, this is an old Alfa. 6,000 crowns just to change the bushings. I'm like, maybe I can do this myself. So I went to YouTube, of course, and Italia Autos, if you know that channel, from UK. I don't know if he's from Birmingham or something around there. I'm not sure. But he's the only mechanic in all of YouTube who actually make real mechanic videos about Alfas. It feels like it. And he has a small series where he is actually fixing things for the Alfa 147 and the GT. And of course, he had one video where he changed the whole upper wishbone on a 147. And I looked at the videos and thought, damn, I can do that. I'm pretty sure. I don't have a garage, you know that I don't have any room in my garage anymore. But now it's getting so much warm, I can do this outside. I'm pretty sure of that. So, this is a very long introduction for opening a bloody box. But here it comes. So, I went online to Squadra Sportiva, and of course they have original parts. So, and I looked at the price of changing, to buy just the bushings. the price is not expensive, but you have to ship it and everything. And then I looked at what does it cost to buy a whole bloody wishbone with bushings and everything. And it was like, I can't remember now, I don't know, 45 euros. So I'm like, damn, I will buy 2 upper wishbones, each for side, a right and a left side. And here we have a packaging of a wishbone. Let's see, what is his name? Optimal Your Profit, Optimal Germany. This is is it a original part? Yeah, it looks like it. It looks good. Let's open it and see how it looks. It's not waiting for it. Ah, and here you have it. And for me, it was, this is the right side. This is the right side, the worst side. And it's this side, this bushing here, that is completely gone in my car. There's nothing left of it. Yes, it's still there, but the rubber is so damaged. So this one I will do a video about changing, the next video. And of course I have the left side too, because if I change one side and that gets good and have no sounds, and I know that the left side is already in bad condition. The right is worse, but the left side is soon going too. So it's a stupid idea to not change both of them, because the left side I will probably have to change this year anyway. So it's better to change both of them. My son just came in and I had to cut him a little bit here now. So what did I say? I have already forgotten. I said that the left side is already going, so it's better to change both sides. So I have so I'm getting as much of stability as possible, and hopefully the car will feel much better to drive, because now I feel like I cannot really drive. I drive more carefully now because of the sounds, the clonking. But I think I have more things coming. There's something in the rear too. I have some sounds in the rear too, and I think that it's probably something with the suspensions in the back. Yeah, I'll have to do it. Probably I need to get money very soon to change the whole suspensions. It's the original suspensions. The car is up now to, has gone over 16,000, and yeah, I think the suspension is getting very bad now. So probably I need in the summer to do a fun videos, but put in a sport suspension. I want to have that all around and see if there's some other things I need to change, and also I want to lower it at least 3 centimeters. I need to lower it. That would be so cool. But that was all. I will see here now. Yes, here's a paper, because I had actually ordered one more thing, and that is probably on the way in a separate package, because I have also ordered a strut bar in the front, so for between the suspensions up in the engine room. As you all know, a strut bar is a metal rod that is connected between each suspension, and that is holding the car, the upper part of the car, together, so the car gets more rigid when you go through corners. I don't know if I've said this before, but with Alfa, sometimes if you go more hard into a corner and the corner is, you know, not perfect, a little bit uneven, I can feel the whole car is flexing, it's twisting, it's lifting one of the legs, and that is that is something I want to do. Something I want it to be a more rigid feeling in it. Like in my Fiat, the Fiat is like a go-kart. There is no strut bars in that or anything, but when they built that car, they made it much more stronger than the original Tipo. I think it was the Tipo. Yeah, I read something online that it's 5 times more rigid than the original Tipo. And I can really feel that. Plus that it's low and has very, very, very stiff suspension. So when you go through a corner, damn, it's like a go-kart. You can go. You feel like you can go as fast as possible through a corner. I don't feel that really with the GT. I want it to make it a better cornering car. And of course, the first steps is this: a strut bar, suspensions, and probably other things too. Yeah. Well, this is it for today. The next video I hope will be a mechanic video, and then probably another video will come when I have the strut bar, and then we do a mechanic video with when I installing the strut bar and have a feeling of the car. I have some crazy corners, I know, in Sunne, over a very sharp corner over a railway, so you know it's really bouncing over, and there you can really feel the car. So I'll try to go over there when this is finished. Yeah, but now let's say goodbye. And wherever you live, stay out of Corona. I have to say it. I live in Sweden. We don't have so much yet. But everyone down in Europe, yeah, damn, take care. It's scary to watch the news. It's scary to watch the news. Goodbye and take care.